How to identify rare gemstones. Real tips from gem experts. Have you ever wondered how experts recognize a truly rare gemstone? The truth is, rarity isn't just about beauty. It's a combination of color, clarity, size, origin, and scientific testing. The first thing experts examine is color. Many rare gemstones have vivid, natural colors that are evenly distributed. Stones such as Paraíba tourmaline, alexandrite, and fine ruby are highly valued because of their exceptional color. Next comes clarity. While many natural gemstones contain tiny inclusions, a stone with fewer visible flaws is usually more valuable. However, some inclusions can actually prove that a gemstone is natural rather than synthetic. Another important factor is hardness. Professionals often use the Mohs Hardness Scale. Diamonds rank 10, sapphires and rubies rank 9, while topaz ranks 8. Hardness helps identify the type of gemstone, but should always be tested carefully to avoid damage. Experts also measure the stone's refractive index using special instruments. Every gemstone bends light differently, making this one of the most reliable identification methods. Weight is another clue. Some gemstones feel surprisingly heavy compared to their size because they have a higher specific gravity. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is judging a stone only by its appearance. Glass, cubic zirconia, and synthetic crystals can closely resemble valuable gems. The most reliable way to confirm a gemstone's identity is through a professional laboratory. Organizations such as GIA or IGI use advanced equipment to determine whether a stone is natural, treated, or laboratory grown. If you believe you found a valuable gemstone, avoid polishing or altering it before having it examined. Keep it clean, photograph it from several angles, and store it safely until an expert can inspect it. Remember, knowledge is the most valuable tool in gem collecting. Learning how gemstones are identified will help you avoid costly mistakes and recognize truly exceptional stones when you find them. If you enjoy learning about gemstones, crystals, minerals, and precious stones, subscribe for more videos filled with real facts and practical tips.